Hi guys, I'm Canine Crooner Finn Austin here, and today I'm going to be saluting on Singing Toy Fan. Enjoy the video. Singing Toy Fan. Wow, this user rocks. And this user makes awesome videos. Subscribe to this user. Subscribe to this user, guys. Oh, look at this, guys. He made a video for me. Thanks. Thank you, Singing Toy Fan. You're the best. You're the best YouTuber ever. And Singing Toy Fan also made Vicky Kiko Tries Eat Me. And I watched the video, and it is his puppy who tries to do this. That puppy looks like Vicky Prince's dog. So I think the breed of that puppy, it might be a German Shepherd. So the profile picture on Vicky Prince's channel, the profile picture in the profile picture in Vicky Prince's channel, the profile picture is a Bernese mountain dog. It might be a Burmese mountain dog, like a Bernese mountain dog. Yep, so Singing Toy Fan is amazing. Subscribe to this user. Yep, he also made a video. He also made a video of me. Yep, it says for Canine Crooner Finn Austin. That's me. Yep, so he made a video for me. Is that singing, dancing gorilla monster thing? Yep, so Singing Toy Fan is amazing. Subscribe to this user. So do you know who likes this user? Me and all of the other Singing Toy fans. And I don't know who hates this user. So Singing Toy Fan is amazing. And so does Rainboy107. Vicky Donkey Kiko sucks. End of salute. If you have any request about my salutes, check on the comments below. This is me on my channel.